What's going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors bringing you guys another official video. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you something that gave me maximum horsepower. I literally feel like I have a tune. Improved my fuel economy, helped my emissions, and makes my car run like a boat. If you guys want to know what I'm talking about and what I use, please watch this video from the beginning to the end and you'll find out.
We got Bruce up on the track.
All right, guys, for those of you that are new to the channel, you guys know I have a big turbo Audi A5. It's pushing 600 plus horsepower. I'm currently working on a wide body kit for the car. So that's what you see right here. I'm currently working on a wide body kit. For those of you who follow me, you already know what I'm doing. Now, as you can see over here, this is going to be my Audi RS5 4.2 V8. The reason I don't have the engine cover on here is because I actually have these PCV adapters on here that just kind of helps with the flow of the engine. And I don't know if you guys know it, but with the Audi RS5, these tend to go out. And so I just wanted a long-term solution, but it actually helps with the power a little bit. But that's not what this video is about. If you guys want to know more about the Audi RS5, if you want to know more about the big turbo A5, then just watch my videos. That's all you got to do. Watch my videos, like, share, and subscribe. This video is going to be about how I improved my horsepower, how I got the maximum horsepower, how I improved my fuel economy, and how my car feels like it's new, regardless that it's a high mileage vehicle. And it feels essentially like I have a tune on a car. If you don't believe me, just use this product on your car and just see yourself and just leave a comment. This is a channel where we can live and learn, and I really want to share with you. So without further ado, here's the item. The item that's helped me out tremendously that I'm referencing is called Gum Out. Called Gum Out All-in-One Fuel System Cleaner. And as you guys can see right here, they have one for high mileage and they have one for the newer vehicles. Right, so guys, I know you're asking yourself, why do I need to put this in my vehicle? My vehicle is running fine. Or maybe you have someone whose vehicle is not running fine and you think, do I need a tune-up? Is there something I need to do? I'm missing that horsepower that I used to have. My car doesn't seem to be acting efficiently. I always believe in pretty much ensuring that before you spend the money that you're doing the basics on the car. And that's what I'm essentially talking about, doing the basics first, right? So start off cheap and work your way up. So that's what I do. And in using this, starting off cheap and using this, my car essentially feels new. I did another video on the transmission hack and I got a really great response from that video. If you want to see the video, it's right here. So this video kind of demonstrates what I'm talking about, starting low and starting cheap and just being able to troubleshoot and figure out what's wrong with your vehicle, right? So that's essentially what I do in these videos. I try things on my car. I'm like the mad scientist. And when I try these items, I let you guys know what it does for me so you can ultimately save money and have better performing vehicles, from enhancement to just in general, someone, a soccer mom or someone in a Q5 that just wants to take their kids to school and the vehicle just starts acting a little weird. I mean, ultimately the goal for us to keep our vehicles as long as we possibly can and not run into any issues. So we're generally reactive versus proactive when it comes to our vehicles, you know, so let's start being proactive. And being proactive is being able to get something to help your vehicle breathe, help your vehicle have the right flexibility for where the engines and the pistons and the rods can move freely without any friction. And that's what these items are in general. Use this on the Audi Big Turbo. I use it on my Volkswagen Atlas. And as you can see right behind my Volkswagen Atlas, I do have my Audi RS5. These are the vehicles I currently have here right now. And it's worked magic. When I say magic, like butter. As you can see, guys, I haven't been posting like I used to because I've been busy. But you know what? This is such an amazing community that I really want to keep giving you guys the nuggets so you can have the best that you need. So yeah, guys, this is essentially what I use on my vehicle. So really what you do with this is you add it to a tank with about 25 gallons, and roughly every 3,000 miles, if you're tuned and you're running hard, then you can probably reduce that to 2,000 miles. Especially if you're tuned, these are going to be the things that's going to help you out, because when you're tuned, you're running with a higher octane. Sometimes you can have a little bit. Sometimes you can have a little bit of contamination, or the car can be imbalanced. You know, like when you're putting fuel adjectives in your car and it turns to brown. This actually helps to even prevent it from going brown, and this ultimately just helps you even with your gas mileage. I know with the economy and the prices and the tariffs and everything that's going on, we want to save every buck that we can. This is definitely something that can help you guys. For those of you that have started the channel from this right here, from this Audi right here, from day one, as you can see, new valve cover in, turbo still looking amazing, coming along pretty well as far as just putting the engine back together. Got to put a few more components here and there, changing out lines, changing out fueling lines, just different variables in general. This beast is going to be back on the road in no time. As you guys know, I'm also working on the body kit for the car, coming along really well. I ordered a 3D scanner as well, so once I'm done with it, I can actually scan it. But yeah, guys, essentially, this is going to be what I would suggest that you use. If I can, I will find a link. This is just going to be a link that you can use to this item, so to help you guys out, right? But yeah, definitely Gum Out all-in-one fuel system cleaner. It doesn't have to be Gum Out. It can be any fuel system cleaner, but I've used this, and it's proven that this works on my vehicle. Thank you guys so much. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace. I'm out.